Hey there YouTube, Crypto Force here again, bringing you another daily dose of crypto. And what I want to talk about today is actually the numbers on how to get to $1 million with your cryptocurrency investments. Now, I'm going to start out by saying I'm not going to talk about one coin to pick that'll make you a millionaire because I don't know what coin to pick to become a millionaire. If I did, then I'd buy it, obviously. And there's too many YouTube videos out there. It says, oh, crypto millionaire in 2018, and they're giving you all these picks to make you a millionaire. And, that's fine and dandy, but at the end of the day, it's your money that's at stake, not theirs. So, you need to make sure you're doing what's right for you. And this has nothing to do with any picks. I just want to show you the math and how valid it is with a little bit of money in this crypto market of how, crazy volatile it is, and it just keeps going up, 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 even though we have these terrible downturns, that it is possible for you to finally become an actual millionaire on a little bit of money. Now, to start out, I'll go ahead and tell you right off the bat, Bitcoin last year at this time, even if you go back 3-4 months ago, back into September, Bitcoin was down to $2,000, $3,000. So even if you look at where it's crashed to now, you're still looking at 3 times gains. Ethereum was down around 180 bucks. So, you're looking at 5-6 times gains. And Ripple was down around 15-20 cents. That's 5 times gains. I mean, the list goes on and on. I mean, Litecoin was probably like 26 or 35 bucks in September, somewhere around there. So, you're looking at probably like 6-7 times gains. And the reason I'm telling you these gain numbers, just think about what I'm saying about the multiplication value here, because, Tron in December was 0.2 of a cent. So at 0.2 of a cent, if you just put 500 bucks in there, you would have been able to purchase 250,000 Tron. Now, obviously, nobody's going to know when to get out at the peak of it, but at one point, one day Tron actually hit 30 cents. So, that's $75,000 off a $500 investment. But this isn't even the main part of this millionaire part I'm talking about. So if you can come up with 2,500 bucks and you multiply it just 9 times, and I'll do it real quick to show you. 9 trades later, $2,500 at 100% gain each time is $1.28 million. Now, you say, holy cow, how am I going to do that? I'm not going to say you're going to do this in one trade, obviously, but if you look at how much all these prices, and remember, this is from a really crashed market here. This is 2 weeks worth of coin crashing, because Litecoin was at its peak 340, 360 bucks, maybe even higher than that. It might have even hit 410, I believe. But so it's almost a third of that value. So I think this is reasonable to say if you had to purchase the coin, you could at least make the gain off of these coins that you see right now. And for 2,500 bucks, if you're patient, you don't panic, I think you really have the opportunity to make a lot of money in the crypto market, because in my personal opinion, this crypto market is going to shoot past its all-time highs. It might take a month or whatever, but I think we're going to move right back up. You see the stock market's not going so good now, and the stock market is what really people need to realize. I mean, that's the bubble. They keep talking about cryptocurrency. No, the inflation has driven the stock market out the roof. That's why you see gold and silver going up with it instead of being inversely with it. But I don't want to get off on that tangent. So with 2,500 bucks, if you can double it 9 times, you have $1.28 million. And remember, I'm not saying you can do that with one individual coin, but if you have the opportunity, to sit down and do your own research, because remember, like I always say, it's your money at stake. It's not anybody else's. Don't pay attention to these videos where these people guarantee you, oh, this is definitely going to go up 1,000% this year. I don't know what's going to go up 1,000%, but I do know that every one of these coins, for the most part, have at least doubled or tripled in value. So that would take my 2,500, up to the next level, to the next level. So I'm just trying to throw that out there, guys, to help you understand that, becoming a millionaire in the crypto sphere, it's real. It can happen, but it will take patience, and it'll take a lot of research. I mean, that's your biggest thing there, is the research. And, some of it is luck, but a lot of it's psychological. When you see these downturns, don't all of a sudden just panic and dump it. And when you see something going up, do not chase the price. I cannot tell you, excuse me, how many times that I messed up chasing prices. You know, I bought in some of the Litecoin at like $390 or $360, I can't remember, but it was really high. And I messed up when I did that. I mean, I'm like, oh man. Well, I shouldn't say I messed up, because I know it's going to go past that in price. But, you know, had I held the money just a little while longer, I could have purchased it quite a bit cheaper. But so, anyways, guys, hope this inspires you and, you know, helps you do more research and look into the fundamentals of these coins more, because what we need now is stability in this market. I made a video yesterday about the jackass developers who are making these stupid coins like Ponzi coin and stuff, and you know, it's making the world laugh at the crypto market. And I wish other developers would, you know, try to talk to these numbskulls that are making these stupid ass coins that just absolutely are, you know, bringing a bad light to cryptocurrency, because cryptocurrency is awesome. What it stands for is awesome, and I'm a big believer in it. And hopefully this will inspire you to try to become more financially set this year, and hopefully it works out for you. And as always, guys, good luck trading, and Crypto Force signing out.